Brothers and sisters, we often hear the name of James together with Peter and John to many or to some iconic scenes in the life of the Lord. These three were present, at least some Bible commentators would summarize, they were present during the Transfiguration, when the daughter of Jairus was given life again, and during the agony in the garden. Why these three? Hindi po natin alam kay Jesus kung bakit. Sinasabi baka malapit ang mga ito kay Jesus o di kaya sila yung talagang malapit na katrabaho din ni Jesus maliban sa dami ng kanyang mga apostol at mga disipulo. But I wish to share a why this three, and particularly why St. James. Today, we've heard this request from his mother. Command that these two sons of mine sit one at your right and the other at your left in your kingdom. At akala niya ay siya ay pagbibigyan. Ngunit sinagot sila ni Jesus with these words, "It shall not be so among you. Whoever wishes to be great among you shall be your servant. Whoever wishes to be first among you shall be your slave." At alam niyo po, marahil tumimo ito sa puso at pag-iisip ni Santiago habang nakikita niya ang mga bagay na kanyang naging kapansin-pansin sa kanya. Yung pagbabagong anyo ni Jesus, yung pagbibigay niya ng buhay sa dalagang ito, at kahit sa panahon ng kahirapan niya sa halamanan ng Getsemane. Nakita ni Santiago, paano nga ba maging dakila? Nakitang totoo ni Santiago ang maging dakila sa mga ginawa ni Jesus sa kanyang buhay. And you know, my dear brothers and sisters, it is good that sometimes we be inspired to be great, not from the mouths of empty promises and even loud leaders, but to aspire and believe in greatness from people who really lived much. Yung taong bibitaw ng kanyang sarili para samahan tayo. Yung makikinig sa atin, yung kakalimot sa kanilang sarili para damayan tayo, yung mismong tutulong, yung mismong magbibigay. Sometimes, greatness is not learned from words. It is best or most learned through heroic actions. Yung talagang nagbata, yung talagang nagbuwis, yung talagang tumulong, mas malakas ang radara ng inspirasyong maging dakila kesa sa mga bula ng bibig ng mga tao. James learned greatness when he saw all that Jesus did. How Jesus listened, how Jesus cared, and how Jesus obeyed. No flowery words, nor powerful words. Just a life ready to save, a life ready to serve, and to do what greatness is about. Greatness is not to hoard many views, to watch how you can throw words one after to another. Greatness is but plain and simple. Whoever wishes to be great among you shall be your servant. Whoever wishes to be first among you shall be your slave. Buhay na nag-aalay at buhay na naglilingkod.